Hi, I'm Lizzie and I run a small glamping site based in North Devon. I discovered Boostly in June of this year after Mark was recommended to me on a Facebook group that I'm on. Our bookings were coming in steadily, but we were heavily relying on the OTAs, but not anymore. The Boostly Academy has empowered me and given me the hints and tips to really make the most of the free platforms that we've got to market our business, and we have had really fantastic results. Mark is full of knowledge and advice. He's always there to give you the tools and a push in the right direction when you need it. Not only when you join the academy are you gaining an invaluable source of information, you're also joining one of the most welcoming and supportive groups, full of like-minded people in the industry. I honestly can't recommend Boostly enough, and if you're thinking about joining, then do it. You won't regret it. Thanks again, Mark.